Hi, welcome to my studio. I'm so glad you're here. In this short video, I want to introduce to you one of my favorite blue pigments. This is Daniel Smith Phthalo Blue green shade. Let's get started. In this short video, I want to introduce to you one of my favorite colors on my palette, and that is a color called Phthalo Blue green shade. The GS there stands for green shade. And this is a Daniel Smith color, and a color I really like, and I use it a lot. And so I want to just share with you how it mixes with other colors on my palette. So let's get started. For each of these colors, I'm going to apply a little bit of the Phthalo Blue, just a bit like that. Wash out my brush and then grab the color I want to blend it with. First color is Azo Yellow. Here's our Azo Yellow, and there's a nice mixture of the two. You can see it just produces a beautiful green tone. New Gamboge, more of a red yellow. You can see how the combination of the New Gamboge, which has a little more red in it, produces a little bit more of almost a neutral green. Nickel Quinacridone Gold. Almost looks like a yellow ochre. It tends to charge into other colors. Let's see what it does there. Beautiful. Phthalo Blue here. Let's go with a Azo Orange. Interesting combination. Again, even more of a neutral now is produced. Because again, whenever you mixed all three primaries, you're going to get a neutral. So we've got the blue here, blue, and the red and the yellow are both in this orange, so we're getting really close to a neutral color there in between. Beautiful. Phthalo Blue, put down a little opera. Bright pink. Wow, look at those two colors come together. Gorgeous. Phthalo Blue. Quinacridone Magenta. Similar but a little darker than the opera. Phthalo Blue. This is Alizarin Crimson. Real dark blend there between those two colors. Phthalo Blue. This is Moon Glow. I have a whole video on Moon Glow. Neutral color. Let's blend those two here. Now Moon Glow is a combination of three pigments: Viridian, Ultramarine Blue, and a red, Phthalo Blue. This is a Phthalo Turquoise. So now we're getting close to the green colors. Moved from blues into the greens, so let's look at how these mix. Wow. Here's our Phthalo Blue with our Phthalo Green. Also meant they blend together beautifully. Phthalo Blue, just to see what we get, let's mix Phthalo Blue with our sap green. And one last green, let's go Phthalo Blue mixing with green gold. Wow, beautiful. Green gold seems more granulating. So you get much more granulation going on up in here as they blend together. It's interesting, isn't it, how the different colors blend together in different ways. Some with a real smooth gradation, others charge in differently like that, creating these patterns. I just love watching the colors blend together. Gorgeous. All right, we're going to do 4 more here, I think. I want to blend this phthalo blue now with some of my browns and yeah, some of the browns on my palette. So let's go with the phthalo blue here and mix this with my quinacridone burnt orange. This color is similar to burnt sienna on other palettes, but I prefer this quinacridone burnt orange to some of the burnt siennas that I've used. And we're going to do next phthalo blue and combine it with sepia. It's a brownish neutral. Turns somewhat of a greenish color there as they blend. Phthalo blue again with now indigo. More of a bluish neutral color. Okay, last but not least, I'm going to mix my phthalo blue here with burnt umber. More of an earthy brown. Oh, gorgeous. All right, now you can see all of my colors swatched out here. This is Phthalo Blue Green Shade by Daniel Smith combined with 16 different colors on my palette. Let's go over those colors again. Azo Yellow, New Gamboge, Nickel Quinacridone Gold, Azo Orange, Opera, Quinacridone Magenta, Permanent Alizarin Crimson, Moonglow, Phthalo Turquoise, Phthalo Green, Sap Green, Green Gold, Quinacridone Burnt Orange, Sepia, Indigo, and Burnt Umber. I encourage you to do this with your colors. Take a color you really like and then just combine it with a variety of different colors from your palette and see what interesting combinations and blends you can get by just combining one color on your palette with other colors. And it's just an amazing, you get amazing results like you see here. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel. Hit that notification bell, and that way you'll stay informed the next time I put out a video. Thanks. Have a great day.